looking out from my window. Sun's coming up like the day before.
His first one is on an
You're like a
e-commerce.
stone on my pillow. I don't make a sound when I shut the door. You don't have to wake up yet.
Let's babat. For our lipsticks, so I have here 3 shades. I have always wanted to try out a product that would still give me the positive feeling that makeup gives, but would still be practical and usable for the different activities that I'll be doing today. Of course, with the new regulations and rules during the pandemic. So let's see if this lipstick would stay for 16 hours straight during my new normal routine. So I need to go down to get a delivery, and I'm wearing a mask. Hello, I'm back. Sorry.
So Malaya just wanted to say hi and introducing us the e-commerce and his first one is under the e-commerce team. So, and he's handling specifically live streams.
Nice e-meeting, you guys.
Thanks, everyone.
Malaya. Thanks, everyone.
See you on Sunday. Thank you.
Bye, guys.
So, there you go, guys. Tapos na aking meetings. I turned on the camera. Nakakahiyang kumain sa harap nila. But yeah, I'm eating breakfast right now. Actually, brunch na to. Inom na ako ng inom kanina ng iced coffee, pero kita mo naman ang lipstick seized. Pak na pak pa rin. For now, I'm just gonna enjoy my brunch. So, hindi ko pala napakita kanina yung mask na ginamit natin. So, ito yun. And let's check. Tignan natin. See? There's no stain, guys. No stain at all. I mean, it's very important to pick a lipstick that doesn't stain on the mask. Syempre for hygiene purposes. So far, I'm loving it. And tapos na akong kumain. Tapos, we're on our way to Makati to eat ramen. Yes, because we've been craving for it. And it was her birthday 2 days ago. So, belated happy birthday! Grabe yung lipstick daw. Lagi ako nung. Hey guys, so we're done eating, and as you can see, my lipstick is still intact. Parang bago pa rin, fresh na fresh. So, hindi ako nag-retouch or anything. And it's already Phone to ni Flo, 4:06. Ayan. Kasi I'm using my phone right now to vlog. And we are on our way to Muji. Mag-window shopping lang kami. Sana window shopping nga lang. So, ayan. We're heading home. Thank you, Flo, for today. Oh, diba? Intact pa din yung lipstick ko. What time is it? 5:40. It's already 5:14. Yan yung husband ni Flo, tapos yung baby niya. Cute! Sky, sky! I'm home! What a day. Look at that. Time check tayo, guys. September 25 pa din. 7:14 p.m. Ayan, 7:14 p.m. Ladies and gentlemen. Today is Friday, so sobrang traffic sa labas. So, natagalan ako sa pagbalik dito. And, lipstick check. So, yung lipstick ko napakaganda pa din. At never akong nag-retouch for the entire day. So, kung ano lang yung in-apply ko kaninang umaga when I was doing my makeup, yun lang yun. At uminom pa ako ng kape kanina ha. On my way here. So, see? Wala siyang stain ng lipstick. Let's go. Mas na-encourage ako ma-exercise kasi feeling ko ang ganda pa din. Kahit na pinagpapawisan ako. Kasi naka-red lipstick tayo ng sis. Grabe, ang taas ng energy ko today. I did it. We did it, guys. So, ayan guys, nakakapagod tong araw to, but I feel so productive kasi nga ang dami kong ginawa. Pero importante talaga for us to also give importance to our health. Kahit ako gaano ako ka-busy, kahit mga 15 to 20 minutes or max 30 minutes na exercise, ginagawa ko almost every day. In-insert ko talaga yun to keep myself healthy din. Siguro second reason ko na yung pag-lose ng weight. But I exercise mainly to improve my health, for a stronger immune system din. And then, wala lang. I find it interesting to wear this lipstick even if I'm doing the exercise to really see if it really stays. Pero kanina guys, diba? Parang pawis na ako. Pero, since this morning yan, mga sis. Yun, may mga araw talaga where I want to fix myself for me to look good and feel good. Sometimes the work becomes so overwhelming. Pero, I'm happy that I still find joy in the little things around me, just like this lipstick. Patuloy pa rin lumalaban at hindi nagpapatalo sa kung ano mang pinagdadaanan natin ngayon. And just like us, na patuloy pa rin lumalaban at hindi nagpapatalo sa kung ano mang pagbabago sa paligid natin. So ayan mga sis, please comment down below on how you find empowerment in lipstick or in makeup. I'll see you on my next one.